Hello everyone and welcome back to Dash of Spices. Today I'm going to share with you how I made this delicious air fried chicken tenders. This is actually Jassie's favorite and I decided to share it with you guys because if you have kids, a picky eater like mine, they are going to love this as well. If you want to learn how I made this, please keep on watching. And for our ingredients, what I have here is chicken meat. This was chicken breast that I sliced into 6 parts basically. You could slice this however you want. This was 3 chicken breasts and just slice them thinly. And this are eggs. I'm just gonna use 3 eggs, half a cup of milk, onion powder, Italian seasoning, garlic Himalayan salt, and this is everything bagel, which I've been using uh, for most of the time when I do an air fry video. What I have here also is Italian breadcrumbs. I'm going to use 1 cup of Italian breadcrumbs, and I'm also gonna add this dry French onion. I'm just gonna pulverize this or smash it to make it more like powdery, just like this. Doesn't have to be almost powder, just enough to kind of mix it to the breadcrumbs. So you just add like about 1/4 cup of that, and you're just going to mix this together. And now we're gonna whisk the eggs. I'm going to use 3 eggs, and I'm gonna season this with garlic Himalayan salt, then the Italian seasoning, and onion powder, and a tons of everything bagel. You could add about a tablespoon actually. This is highly recommended. Grab yourself one. It's perfect for any meat. Just whisk this together until combined. And then I'm just gonna add half a cup of milk. And again, whisk until combined. Taste it. You could adjust this to your liking. I just simply add a little bit of salt. I think it needed salt. Probably doing something wrong here, but hey, don't judge me. I'm not a pro, but just adjust it to your liking. Now, based on the temperature chart from the Cosori Air Fryer, chicken meat should be cooked 380 degrees. So I'm going to cook the chicken meat for 380 degrees. Cooking this for 380 degrees for 15 minutes since the meat is sliced thinly. I'm going to brush the basket with oil, again just to prevent the meat from sticking. First is make sure to start with the liquid mixture, which is our egg mixture, and then just dredge that to our powder mixture, which is, well, our dry mixture, which is the Italian breadcrumbs and the dried French onion. And make sure that the meat is well coated. And simply put it in a basket just like this. Do not overcrowd your basket. Make sure that the meat has something to breathe on or the air have a place to cycle because we're cooking chicken right here. And make sure, if you're unsure about the temperature, grab yourself a meat temperature or a thermometer to make sure that the meat is done perfectly. And just like this, I'm going to place this in the air fryer unit. Again, cooking this for 380 degrees. Start with 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, go ahead and remove the basket from the unit. I'm going to flip this on the other side, but before that, I'm going to gently brush this with oil, or if you have a spray, you could use a spray as well. This is just an olive oil. I'm going to flip this on the other side and brush it with the oil. And again, just simply brush this with a tiny bit of oil, not too much of oil, and then place this back in the air fryer. I'm cooking this on 380 degrees for 5 minutes. I know I mentioned 20 minutes, but since this is thinly sliced, 15 minutes is all you need. After 5 minutes, there you go. Chicken tenders are done. This is so delicious. This is my daughter's favorite. She highly requested for sure. Let's check the meat and let me show you the meat is perfectly done. Again, if you're unsure, you could always use a meat thermometer. There is the chicken meat, perfectly done. I hope you like this video. Please, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you everyone for watching and supporting us. Until next time, see you back here at Dash of Spices. Ciao!